end of the semester or maybe 1 or 2 months before end of the semester.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so by that time, hopefully you will get your roll number. So this is the thing, and next thing. So this is the, okay. See, here it is, the originality report. The software will give the report. 3% copied from internet, 2% from internet, 3% from publication. Overall similarity index is 3%. So it has to be less than 10. And this particular fellow has copied from two sources, 2% from Tandem Online, then 1% from this one, and less than 1% from this one. So this
Sir, you
software,
are allowing 10%.
sorry, I'll allow less than 10%. Yes. Clear? So in case it's more than 10%, I will either reject you, or if I'm not rejecting, then I'll give you the minimum number. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any question
Sir,
regarding
in
this?
we should write title and our name.
From
Will you provide a sample?
I'll give you sample. The sample will be all about the title page, and the next page of a title page is called acknowledgement. ACKNOWLE. Acknowledgement. See, Mr. Sharma, please allow me some time. I'll answer your question.
Okay, sir.
Second page is called acknowledgement. In this acknowledgement page, basically you are saying who are the people or what are the websites that helped you to shape this project. This is acknowledgement. Third page is called content or index. Index. This is called content or index page. This is the pattern of just like a book. If you open a book, first page is called the title page. Second page is called the acknowledgement. Third page is called indexing page. Clear? Now, Siddhant, you can ask your question.
Yes, sir. So what do you exactly mean by copying? Like we can take reference through the internet, but we should not copy like the as it is. That's what you
Yes,
mean.
that's my idea. It should not be Control A, Control
Oh,
C, and Control V.
okay, sir.
Okay. Content and index, both are same, boy. If you take some information from it, will you? If you directly copy, Samriddhi, if you directly copy like Control C and Control V, then it's a plagiarism. But if you read it, write it in your own language, it's not plagiarism.
Okay, sir.
And any other question, Unnati?
No, sir.
Okay. Any other question? Okay. So this is all about, okay, we have to type the, okay, good question, Vibhor. Those who are having access to laptop or any digital device can type it in MS Word. But those people who do not have access to any digital device, they can write it in a Word format, in a hard copy, and scan it and send it in my email ID. I'll give you the email ID later when the submission time comes. Clear, Vibhor? Any other question? Samriddhi, I'll send you that Excel sheet maybe today or tomorrow. Your job is to see that everyone is filling up the data and you send it back once the job is done. I'll give you 1 week time. Next week, you send it back to me.
Okay, sir.
And any other question? Regarding
Sir,
this choice of this one project, it's completely your decision which one you will go for. And regarding lab topic also, you are supposed to give a presentation in lab. If you want, Soumya Ranjan will tell you the deadline later, not now. Regarding project also, regarding PowerPoint presentation in lab, you can retain whatever you have chosen in your term project. There is no problem. You can retain the topic. But if you want to make it more interesting, you will have the full option of you have the full option to choose your topic for lab also. Will you be providing the topic? Shivanshu, yes.
Sir, for this project, we can choose any topic,
Out of 100, you have to choose one.
Okay, sir.
For lab, I'm not giving you any topic. Lab, completely your decision. The same way, lab thing will be collected by another boy here is there. Samriddhi will take care of this one. Term project. Another boy is there.
Yes, sir. Shivam.
Shivam. आज भाई साहब कहाँ गया? Lab is like Viva.
He's absent, sir, like he's traveling somewhere.
कहाँ जा रहा है भाई साहब अभी?
He might be absent.
Tarun, please inform Shivam regarding this. Lab will be his responsibility and Samruddhi will take care of this term paper. Clear, madam?
Yes, sir. I will inform him.
Okay. So please inform that lab project will be his responsibility. The job that Samriddhi is doing now, repetition and other thing. Shivam will do the same thing for lab 1. You guys will maintain a Google spreadsheet. And once it's done, you let me know. Lab is like Viva. See, lab, we have 2 components. One is a PowerPoint presentation. Another is for Viva. Anything else you guys are interested to know? Any other question?
Sir, I had some network issues, so I was not able to hear about the project and all.
8 minutes. Okay, project 1 topic will be, list of 100 topics will be given, and your CR will share the data with you. You have to choose 1 topic from them, and there should not be any sort of repetition. If Shashank has chosen a currency, topic like cryptocurrency, then Shashank is the only guy who will deliver his presentation on that. No one else in the class will be allowed to give a presentation on that particular topic. Is that clear, boy?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. What about quotes? No, quotes, whenever you are giving quotes, quotation mark, the moment you give quotation marks, it is not considered as plagiarism. Vaibhav, clear? Okay.
Sir, is there any word limit or page limit?
There is no such thing called page limit, but definitely a project should be minimum certain pages. Maybe you can say 10 or 8. But make sure whatever you want to say has been clearly spelled out.
Sir, including title page, sir.
Including the title page, references, everything. It will be minimum 10 page, you can say. 8 to 10 page.
Sir, can we add like images and some links, also some
Yes, you
graphics,
can.
GFI?
If the topic demands like that, you can add, but unnecessarily don't make it as a filler. Like if you are giving a presentation, even if you are given a choice of topic like barriers to communication, then diagram is absolutely necessary over there. But if you are given something like a British English and American English, and if you give a picture over there to fill it, it will not serve the purpose. Sample project I will not share, but sample pages like this first page, second page, those things I'll share.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
And
Sir,
any other
ending,
question?
sir, you will share.
Yes, boy.
Ending, sir, ending, how we will end the project?
In ending, there is a thing, bibliography is, there are 2 things. One is
Yes, sir, I
bibliography,
know.
another reference.
Hmm.
Bibliography is the exhaustive one, and references is a limited one. References is those things which are directly related to your topic, but bibliography, maybe they are not directly related to your topic, but somehow distantly related. Those things you can call bibliography. It's up to you which one you will choose, but make sure the content is, for example, 5 page and the bibliography is 10 page. Don't make it like that. Shivanshu?
Sir, that percentage that you have shown, how it is calculated and who calculate this?
The software will calculate.
The Turnitin, it is calculated.
Yes.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
And anything else?
So,
Who is it? हाँ, I was thinking, सृष्टि क्यों पूछ नहीं रहा है कुछ?
yes, sir. So do we also have to present our presentation orally also?
Presentation, the lab thing, yes, you have to give a presentation for lab.
Orally, sir, orally.
Orally in the sense you have to switch on your camera and you have to deliver the presentation through PPT.
Okay, sir.
That's about lab.
Okay, sir.
And term project, maybe you may be asked question during Viva also. Okay, anything else?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so can I proceed with today's topic?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So today, engine, yes boy.
Sir, instead of page limit, can we get the limit? Because we have in the what?
Engine boy, change your place, man. Change your place.
Sir, I missed the part where you clarified about digital versus pen paper. Can you please tell again?
Digital versus
Like we have to make this project like presentation or pen paper.
term paper one is purely write up. Sujal, don't worry, man. When we'll go to lab, we'll discuss about it. Shubhanshu, bolo.
Sir, by the time if in case classes gets offline, then we need to give a presentation in front of people.
Please pray to God. Pray to God.
Oh,
Okay, I don't know, man. What will be the situation? As the situation evolves, we'll take a decision. Okay, we are not static. Okay,
okay, sir.
Tenjin,
Yes, it's better if you give what instead.
boy, use chat box. Network is very poor. Tenjin, use chat box. Sumran Kumar, any question, boy?
No, sir, I have no question.
चुपचाप बैठे हो आज?
हाँ, शांत है.
Okay, fine. लंच हो गया ना आपका?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's proceed with today's task. Today we are going to do about prefix, suffix, antonym, synonym. Prefix is something which we add to the root, which we add front part of the word. For example, there is a root word called ease, E-A-S-E. E-A-S-E. This is the root word. So I am adding this plus E-A-S-E. What will be the product?
Disease.
Disease.
Is treated here as a prefix. This is treated here as a prefix and is a root word. So basically we are choosing this root word and adding a prefix to it and we get a new meaning. For example, I'll ask individually. Don't jump to answer. Shruti Kashyap will answer. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Prefix is post. Give me a sentence with that.
A sentence or word?
Create a word and give me a sentence with that particular word. I'll ask individually, don't jump to answer. Shashank Pillai, please answer. Shashank 92, are you there? Post-mortem, give me a sentence. Shashank, give me a sentence, please.
I can think, sir.
Okay, fine. I'll ask someone else. Shatanshu,
Yes, sir.
give me a word and sentence with prefix post.
Sir, a word is postman, and the sentence can be his father is a postman.
Postman, is it prefix? I would go for something else. Can you give me anything else? I'm not saying wrong, but I'm looking for a more concrete one.
Okay, sir.
Post-wedding. Yes, Vibhuti, can you give me an example?
So they went for a post-wedding shoot.
Post-wedding?
Shoot.
Okay, fine. So Fine. Then say post graduation post means after. Post means after. For example, I did my post graduation from this university. So this is post as a prefix. So I'm giving you another prefix, and it will be answered by Sumran Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Give me a word and sentence.
Means uncountable.
Uncountable.
Yes, sir.
Give me
It's
a
a word.
sentence.
The rice is uncountable noun.
What? Rice is an uncountable. Good. Fine. Next is this one will be answered by Tenzin is here. Shilpa is here.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I'll come to Shilpa later. Tenzin, give me a word with this and sentence. MONO. No problem. Shilpa, please go ahead. Give me a word and sentence. Can you do it, Shilpa? Monopoly. Who is it? Monopoly. Please don't come to answer, please. Please don't go to answer. I'm asking individually. I told you, please keep your motion of emotion with you. Monochromatic spelling is mistake. Shilpa, what is monopoly? Unmute yourself and answer, please, Shilpa. Madam Shilpa, are you there?
It is control of the supply of
Okay.
trade or
Okay.
something.
Give me a sentence, please. Google is monopolizing the internet service altogether. Am I correct? Monopoly means having ruling over that entire industry on your own. Got my point? For example, government is having monopoly over Indian Railways. Indian Railway is managed by only government of India. No one else is there in the market. So that's called monopoly. And next will be answered by Srishti Singh. It's monologue. MONO plus LOGUE. Monovlog, I am not familiar with.
Monologue means a speech spoken by a person.
Monologue is something when you are speaking to yourself.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, log means talk, mono means single. Monologue.
Sir, monotheism, it can be monotheism.
Monotheism is a different thing. Monotheism is a different thing. That's called monad and all these things. These are all philosophical things. The
Monogamy.
word, it's a philosophical.
Monochromatic
is MONOCHROMATIC. Monochromatic.
Yes.
Someone has written it, but there was a spelling mistake.
Monochromatic physical meaning is to having one color, right?
Yes, monochromatic.
Yes.
Monogamy is okay. Next one will be.
Sir, we cannot consider Mona Lisa, right?
No. How come? How come? Someone has written it, but I missed it. Thank you, Sujal, for correcting. Mona Lisa cannot be an example of suffix and prefix. How can it be? Okay, next I'm going to Siddhant Sharma. Siddhant Sharma, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, boy. This one will be answered by you. Next. OMA9. Give me a word and sentence. Omnivorous. Siddhant. Give me a sentence, please. Siddhant, are you there? Give me a sentence, boy. Humans are omnivorous. Okay, so this is all about prefix. And next one I will go for suffix. SUFF. Suffix is something. Suffix is something which we add later part of the word. For example, root word is root word is SAFE plus we are adding LY. Root word is safe. I am adding ly. Ly is a suffix here, so the word becomes safely. Safe plus ly, safely. Similarly, I'll ask someone, please don't jump to answer. I'll ask individually. Simon Tiru, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is your question. Can you give me a word?
Potential.
Potential. Potential. Potential. Okay, fine. Give me a sentence. Potential. Give me a sentence, boy. Shushmita, can you give me a sentence?
Yes, sir.
Please go ahead.
My classmate had potential for the next exam.
Okay, good. Next will be answered by Tripti Rao. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Madam, your word is this. Give me a word and sentence.
So, vacation.
Give me a sentence.
I went to Goa for a vacation.
Is it? Okay. So that's all about suffix and prefixes. Suffix and prefix, the list I will not provide, in the sense that the list is inexhaustible. And before that examination, today itself, I'll try to mail certain things to you. And prefix and suffix, it's all about practice. And the list is inexhaustible, as I had said earlier. So only practice can make you understand this one.
Sir?
Yes, boy.
Sir, the word should be meaningful or not? For example, someone said omnivorous. So we don't use vorous as such in English, but it has a meaning along with omni. So do they have to have a meaning before they are
I'll
made?
check it. Vorous is meaningful, boy. I'll share my screen. Wait a second, I'll share my screen. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir. Sir, my doubt was actually about the word itself, complete word. So
No,
we don't use
root
vorous
word.
while speaking.
Root word should have a meaning, and when you are adding prefix and suffix, it should change the meaning.
Okay, sir.
Clear? Now I'm going for antonym and synonym. Frankly speaking, antonym and synonym, these are very vague in nature. Basically, there is nothing called antonym and synonym. It's only approximated meaning, you can say. Approximated meaning. For example, in one of my lecture, I said that meanings are not really embedded in a particular thing. For example, the pen that you are holding, who said it's a pen? If you break the pen, will you get the penness of the pen? Yes or no?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. These are all relative thing. There is a long theory behind it why the naming is like that. For example, Saturday, Sundays are holiday in India, but this is relative. If you go to UAE or any Islamic countries, over there Thursday is a half day and Friday is a full day holiday. So holidays is a relative thing. Similarly, the meaning that we assign to a particular word or the particular thing, it's a purely relative thing. If all the people under the sun decide that pencil will be called henceforth as a pen, it will be called as a pen. So similarly, the word that we are saying antonym and synonym, we cannot really say it's an antonym and synonym. We can say approximated meaning. For example, sane. For example, INSANE. What do you understand? Insane. What do you understand?
Lack of sanity.
Lack of sanity. But I'll give you a sentence. What will you say?
Now this has a different meaning.
Right. So it's very difficult to say what is the exact meaning unless and until you see the context. The thing that I would like to stress here is word alone cannot have its meaning. Insane is something which is not in Shivanshu, please wait. Let me complete, then you go to the other things. Now, insane is something who is not in proper shape of the mind. That person is called insane. But when I'm using this way, he got an insanely huge package. That means very lucrative package, a very good package. So the thing is that when you are trying to assign meaning to a particular word, you need to check the associated words also. So when we give in unit 2, when we will go for comprehension passage, that time you will see that questions are asked from a paragraph itself, that we underline a word and we ask what are the approximated meaning of the particular word. For example, there is a word called FIGHT. What will be the synonym of it? Any one of you? Synonym?
Tussle.
Sorry?
Battle, war.
No, this is something different. You know, battle, war, fight. I mean, almost all these are same, but degree varies. Degree varies. For example, if I say melee is equal to FIGHT, this is also wrong. MELEE. Melee means also fight. But you know, these are degree. Degree matters. For example, we say World War II, but we do not say War of Plassey. Are you familiar with the Battle of Plassey?
Yes, sir.
What happened?
Yes, sir.
1757 is basically famous for Battle of Plassey. We do not say War of Plassey because the degree varies. War is all encompassing, like all the continents are participating to it. But we say Battle of Kargil, we don't say War of Kargil because the degree varies. Similarly, when I'm saying smile, SMILE, smile cannot be replaced with laughter. Things are same only, but degree varies. So when we are giving a meaning like this, be careful about what you are going to say. This antonym, synonym are useful. It's very useful in your competitive exam. Like even if you are going for IAS, IPS, or say CAT, all these places, antonym, synonym are, I mean, important. There is a book by Lewis, Norman Lewis, Norman Lew, Word Power. This is a book. You can check it. This PDF of this book is available. You can download the book. This particular book is helpful for antonym, synonym, and increasing your vocabs. And this particular book will be helpful for your competitive exam as well. Antonym, synonym list also we will not give you. I'll give you some approximated list, but question may come, may not come from there. So that's about this one. If you have a question, you can ask me. Any question? Shriyanshu, 1 or 2? Any question, boy? Are happiness and
No, sir.
what have you written? Okay. Are happiness and fun? Not really. Happiness and fun are two different things. That's what I said. Only approximated meanings are there. Happiness is different than fun. But there is, if there is no word, with lack of word, you can use fun and happiness, but it cannot go together. Clear, Anushri?
Yes, sir.
Approximated meaning, I'll say yes, but right meaning, I'll say no. So these are very vague things.
Okay, sir.
Any other question? Any question? Surat?
Sir,
Yes, Sriyansh?
sir, battle is always between the two sides of the peoples, or war is like a committee.
Oh, no, war is not a committee. War is between two axes of power, pro and against.
And sir, battle?
Battle also same, but the degree varies. For example, Madhuri Dixit is smiling, but Ravan is not smiling. Ravan is laughter. Got my point?
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
There are 10 types of smile. 10 types of smile, like snigger, giggle, chuckle, humor, fun, laughter. This much I remember. These are all variety. Google it. These are all varieties of fun. But degree varies. For example, smile and snigger, both are same, but degree matters. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, any other question? Shiva Krishna?
No, sir. So how will you define a degree?
Degree, it's all about, how will I say, impact you can say, or for example, the amount of people it is including. For example, melee, MELLE. It's also a replacement of fight. Fight between one or more people. I mean, two or more people. Melee also same. But if you say, what do I say, war, it's almost in a huge scale. And if I say battle, it's a little more than fight and melee. Clear, Sujal?
Oh, yes, sir.
It's a magnanimity. Anything else? Tarun Gupta, any question, boy?
No, sir.
Tanmay? Srishti Singh, madam, any question?
No, sir.
No question.
Sir.
Anyone else? Shubhanshu? Okay, so since you guys have no question, let's close the show. CR, I'll mail you, and so please
One second,
circulate the.
sir.
Yes, Sujal, bolo.
So what I'm saying is, you will give some 100 topics, right? So will CR give us each one, or we are the one who's going to be selecting it?
CR will share the sheet with all of you. It's your responsibility to put it, your name.
Okay, so she's going to send the sheet, and we are supposed to write a name on it.
Yes, but CR will make sure there is no repetition.
Okay, sir. Fine. Thank you, sir.
और कुछ?
Sir,
Yes, Srishti, bolo.
sir, if two person wanted to speak on the same topic, then what happened?
Then nearby stadium में चलेंगे, लड़ाई होगा, जो जीतेगा वही लेगा.
सर मतलब किस बेसिस पे डिसाइड करेंगे कौन चूज करेगा, ये पूछना चाह रहे हैं.
इसीलिए तो मैं CR को बोला हूँ ना. CR will take care of it.
अच्छा, yes sir.
That's what I said, na. CR is the referee.
Okay, sir.
So the fight will be between two people, and CR will.
CR को ही मार देंगे लोग ऐसे तो.
इसलिए तो वर्चुअल में बैठे हैं. मारोगे कैसे? मैक्सिमम ब्लॉक करोगे.
Battle of NIT Raipur.
Okay, anything else?
Sir, and what you would look for?
एक minute. Shivanshu, wait करो. Vivek, tell me.
Sir, what you will look for in the assignment we would submit? You will look for the information is correct or what you will see in.
First of all, I'll check the originality and the matter that is presented by you in a manner. Clear?
Yes, sir. But after originality, what you want to see that we have made our own views or we have got all the information correct or what?
Basically, my point will be to look at your understanding. Got my point? That's why I said that I will ask you question about that project also during your Viva.
Sir.
Okay, sir.
Clear, Deepak?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Wait a second. Shivanshu Bolo, 94.
Sir, can't you give the topic by your own? Like which topic is giving to which one?
No, I'll share the sheet, man. I don't have time, man. I'll share the spreadsheet, and you guys will choose. Sanjeev.
Sir, what is the maximum marks, sir, for this project?
I need to recall, man. I have no idea. I forgot it absolutely. I'll check.
Okay, sir.
And who else wanted to ask?
Sir.
Yes, Tejesh.
Sir.
अरे डीपी चेंज कर दियो तेजेश. तेजेश डीपी चेंज हो गया देख रहा हूँ.
Yes, sir. I
क्या हो
changed.
गया?
Nothing, sir. Normal.
Normal only. Tell me what happened.
Nothing.
Nothing. Okay, Shantanu.
Sir, I had doubt apart from that. It's from the material which CR shared. It's regarding the back formation of the words. So in the slide, it's written creative reduction due to incorrect morphological analysis. So for example, there are examples given like edit is originated from editor, televise is from television, and babysit is from babysitter. So, and there is a note, back formation always involves reduction. So what does this mean?
Reduction means reducing something.
Okay, so the words that are produced are basically shorter
Yes.
than the parent.
Yes.
Okay, sir, got it.
And any other question? Lot of people have written in chat box. Please tell me, can you share assignment format once again? I will share first 3 pages. Clear, Harshal? Okay, shall I close the show?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. When is our next class?
No class now. All classes. This was the last one.
Okay, so thank you. See you next time.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.